Hi, a very good morning, children. Happy Tuesday, all of you. Tuesday means which subject you have? EVS. Okay. Few days are remaining for the second test. You have to get prepared for all subjects, children. Not talking about only EVS, Kannada, Math, English. Since you have to get prepared for the all subjects. Okay, and do well in test. Fine. In the previous class, about which topic we were writing the notes in the previous classes. About the topic water, yes. What are the notes we have finished? True or false, fill in the blanks, keywords, as the following. These are the 4 mains we have finished, right? Yes. In this session, I am going to give you the remaining mains are jumbled words, then missing letter, and answer the following question. These are the 3 mains I am going to give you in this session. Please be ready with the EVS classwork, eraser, and pencil. And today date is 28/9/2021, and the day is Tuesday. TUESDAY, Tuesday. Subject EVS. Topic is about which topic? About the topic water. 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 And which class were you all, children? 3rd standard, right? What are the lessons you have for the second test? First lesson, living and not living beings, right? The judgment of the owl. Then the second lesson, water. Okay, these are the 2 chapters you have for the second test. Write down missing letters. I think this is 4th main, right? Missing letters. Missing letters. Write down. First one, W dash T dash R. Second one, L dash K dash. Third one, W dash T dash R V dash P dash U dash. Fourth one, R dash V dash R. Fifth one, W dash L dash. The first one, water. Yes, write on. WATER. Water. The second one, this is one source of water, children. Lake. Yes, LAKE. Lake. This is third one. Name of the gas form of water. Name of the gas form of water. Water vapor. WATER. Water vapor. Next, fourth one. This is also one type of water. This is also one of the water source. River. 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 Fifth one. This is by digging well we get this kind of water. Well. Yes, underground water, right? Well. WEL. Yes, these are the 5 missing letters I have given. Finish it soon. Next. Fifth main, that is jumbled words or rearrange the letters. Shall I erase? Next. Fifth main, rearrange the letters. Rearrange the letters. Rearrange the letters. First one, T, C, R Y W E A L E C. TCRYWEALEC. Which word has been shuffled here? I'll give you the definition. Just find out the name. Okay. The movement of water in nature is called water cycle. Very good. Right on. Water cycle. I'll write it in capital only, children. Okay. Water cycle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Second one. R I K N D. We need water for. The first thing comes in our mind. We need water for drinking. Yes, this word drinking has been shuffled here. Drink. D-R-I-N-K. D-R-I-N-K. Drink. Third one. Write down. D-R-R-O-U-N-D-N-G-U-E. By digging wells, we'll get this water. Underground water, when rainwater soaks, when rainwater goes below the ground, okay, it is stored as a underground water. The spelling of underground, U-N-D-E-R-G-R-O-U-N-D, underground. Over. Next. I'll give you a simple one, okay? E-A-S. It contains lot of salt. Which water contains lot of salt? Yes. S-E-A-C. Sea water contains lot of salt. Okay? 4 is enough. Complete it soon. Next main, the last main, 6th one. That is, answer the following questions. Shall I rest, children? Shall I? I hope all are completed. Next, the last main, 6th main, that is, answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. 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 Answer the following questions. First one. Write 5 uses of water. Write 5 uses of water. Point wise we will write the answer. Okay. For what are the purpose we use water, children? Drinking, cleaning, washing, bathing, brushing. Right? Washing dishes, washing clothes, cleaning the floor, washing vehicles, washing animals. So many purposes we use water, right? Only 5 they are asking. Drinking, D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G, drinking. Cooking, we need water. Drinking, cooking, bathing, cleaning, brushing, washing, washing clothes, washing animals, washing vehicles, then cleaning the dishes, washing the dishes, we need water. Next, watering plants, we need water. For building construction, for agriculture purpose, so many purpose we use water, right? See how much we depended on the water. Without water, no, we can't assume, we cannot live, right? Yes. Over. Next, second one. Shall I erase? Second one. What is the name of the gas form of water? What is the name of the gas form of water, children? 3 forms of water states. Water as a liquid, water as a gas, water as a solid, right? Yes. Best example for solid, ice cube. Then liquid, pond, lake, river. Okay, the water is in liquid state. Then the last one, the gas form of water. Gaseous form of water, water vapor. Okay, write down. Answer is, what is the name of the gas form of water? Water vapor. W-A-T-E-R, water vapor. V-A-P-O-U-R, water vapor. Third one. Write any 3 sources of water. Write any 3 sources of water. Rain is the main source of water. Okay. Other sources are, when it rains, then only all the sources of water will get filled up. So without rain, no water. From the source also we won't get any water. Even underground water also. When it rains, it goes below the ground. Then only it sources underground. So rain is the main source of water. From rain only we get fresh water. Okay. The other sources of water are ponds we can write, lake we can write, river we can write, streams we can write, rivers, streams with such a call will do, okay? Streams, rivers, streams, wells, etc. Or else you can write lakes, you can write seas, you can write ocean, you can write, okay? It's your wish, children. Any 3, right? Fourth one. Write 3 forms of water. Before 5 minutes back only I have explained about forms of water, right? It's nothing but state, water state, water as a dash, water as a dash, water as a dash. Right? 3 forms of water. Solid state, liquid state, solid, liquid and gas. What is the name of the gas form of water? Water vapor. Okay. Next question. Let us write down one. What is water cycle? What is water cycle? What is water cycle, children? Write down the answer for this question. The movement of water in nature. Is called water cycle. Sixth one. The last one. Simply I will ask one question, children. Name any two ways to get clean, fresh, pure water. Name any two ways WAYS to get clean, fresh, pure water. By filtering, by boiling. Yes or no? Yes. So, if you drink clean, fresh, pure water means we won't fall into sick, right? If we drink dirty water, polluted water means we fall into sick, makes us sick. Drinking dirty water, drinking polluted water makes us sick. So, what type of water we need to drink? Clean, fresh, pure water. How will get clean, fresh, pure? By filtering and by boiling. Okay? Fine. Sixth one. Name any three ways to save water. Name any three ways to means ways to save water. Point wise will write answer for this question. Okay. First one, take a quick shower. Simply don't waste water while bathing time. Okay. Take a quick shower. Take a quick bath. Quick shower. Quick shower is nothing but quick bath. Snana bega maadi. Okay. Second one, shut the taps tightly, quickly, immediately after use. Okay. Shut the taps. Shut the taps tightly. Tightly after use. Shut the taps tightly after use. Collect rainwater and use it for cleaning and watering plants. Third point, collect COLLECT, collect rainwater, RAIN, rainwater, WATER, rainwater and use it for what? For cleaning and watering plants. For cleaning or, okay, cleaning or means atva, cleaning or watering plants. WATERNING, watering. WATERNING, watering plants. ಗಿಡಕ್ಕೆ ನೀರು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. plants, plants. These are the 3 ways to save water. Okay. Simply don't running out water while brushing, while taking bath. Okay. And close the tap tightly after use. Then take a quick shower. Use a bucket instead of using shower. Collect rainwater for watering plants, cleaning purpose, washing dishes you can use. This is the ways to save water. I hope all are completed. We have finished all the notes of lesson regarding the topic water, children. From the next session, I am going to start with a new chapter. Okay. What you have to do, you have to get prepared for the second test. Both lessons you have to read, children. One is judgment of the living and non-living beings. And the second chapter is about water. Okay, judgment of the owl. The lesson is related to the topic living and non-living things, and this topic water is related to the topic about how much water is important, how much water is precious it is. Okay, fine children. Now I am going to wind up the session. We'll meet in the next session. Thank you.